Let's take a look at its repair mode. Removing the back glass of the phone. Easy to operate, safe and reliable. We also offer a one-stop shop for repair tools to make repairs easy and efficient. Repairing the back glass is so easy. Flat engraving mode is also excellent for engraving on metal, wood, plastic, ceramics, and other common materials with ease. For cylindrical products, we have given a new extension, rotary engraving. By expanding the accessories and rotary motors with the self-developed operating system, you can easily engrave and complete your own creations on these products. With a folding carving platform and a simple mounting bracket, we can open up a portable mobile mode. Let's go. Alloy shelf engraving. Plastic product engraving. Metal equipment case engraving. The TBK 958N is a multi-purpose machine.